In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Discord error message, "Sorry, you have been blocked." Now, keep in mind this is usually just when Discord has an error or it's down or something, so it's not really you, it's just their servers or something like that. So first step would just to be wait it out and see if that works. Now, if you don't want to wait, what you can try is go here and search for Windows Update. Check if you have a Windows Update. If you have one, just take it and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, search for Network Protection, Firewall, open up this one, head to Domain Network, and try and disable your Microsoft Defender firewall. So press on this to turn it off and see if it works. Now as a last resort, come down here and search on Run, percentage app data percentage, and in here find the Discord folder and delete this one. Now keep in mind, when you open up Discord, it's going to regenerate itself, so nothing is lost. Try and delete this one and see if it works now. Now after all of this, you can try and restart your PC, check if it works. And like I said before, if it still doesn't work, just wait a bit and Discord will probably fix by itself. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.